In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use Daylite CRM. So basically Daylite CRM is a Mac-based client and project management tool designed for small businesses to track leads, project and communication. Now, if we go to pricing, we can see that they offer different plans. So for the CRM, it's going to be around $19 per month per user, and they also offer a free trial. Now, you just have to install Daylight and set up your team with the roles and permissions. Then you can add contacts, leads, and opportunities to manage sales pipelines. Then create project and tasks linked to clients, emails, and calendars, and you can track progress and collaborate with notes, activity history, and smart lists. So basically that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.